Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we have exciting news about the upcoming 2026 Mazda CX-5, a model that's set to redefine Mazda's compact SUV lineup. After nearly 9 years since the current generation's debut, Mazda is gearing up to introduce a thoroughly redesigned CX-5, blending innovative technology with the brand's signature design philosophy. Recent spy shots have unveiled prototypes of the third-generation CX-5 undergoing testing in both Los Angeles and Germany. Despite the camouflage, it's evident that Mazda aims to retain the CX-5's familiar silhouette while introducing fresh design elements. The front fascia showcases slimmer headlights that seamlessly integrate into a more upright and symmetrical grille, reflecting Mazda's evolved Kodo design language. The rear is equally compelling, featuring aggressive new taillights with crisp LED graphics, drawing inspiration from Mazda's larger CX-60, 70, 80, and 90 series. Under the hood, the 2026 CX-5 is set to make significant strides in electrification. Mazda has confirmed the development of an in-house hybrid powertrain for this model, marking a departure from the Toyota source system used in the CX-50 hybrid. While specific details remain under wraps, this move underscores Mazda's commitment to enhancing fuel efficiency and performance. Additionally, the CX-5 is expected to feature the next-generation Skyactiv-Z powertrains by 2027, promising further advancements in efficiency and driving dynamics. Stepping inside, although interior shots are yet to be revealed, we anticipate a cabin that aligns with Mazda's reputation for upscale design and quality materials. The new CX-5 is likely to draw inspiration from its larger siblings, offering a modern layout equipped with the latest technology and infotainment systems. Mazda's focus on crafting interiors that punch above their weight suggests that the CX-5 will continue to provide a premium experience for drivers and passengers alike. As for the timeline, the 2026 Mazda CX-5 is expected to debut later this summer, with sales commencing early next year. However, the hybrid variant might arrive later, potentially as a 2027 model. Pricing details are yet to be announced, but considering the current model's range, we anticipate a starting price under $30,000, with higher trims reaching into the low $40,000s. In summary, the forthcoming 2026 Mazda CX-5 represents a significant evolution in design, technology, and performance. With its refined aesthetics, anticipated hybrid powertrain, and Mazda's dedication to delivering a premium driving experience, the new CX-5 is poised to strengthen its position in the competitive compact SUV segment. Stay tuned for more updates as we approach the official unveiling of this exciting model. For a visual preview of the 2026 Mazda CX-5, check out this video.